Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson I'm going to show you how I play just the guitar chords to Walk, Don't Run by the Ventures. Now in a different video I'll show you how to play the lead parts. And to get to that video, use the link in the description below this one. The guitar is tuned standard, E-A-D-G-B-E, and we'll start with the intro. The intro chords will sound something like this. That first chord is an A minor. I'm borrowing fret 5 from the D string down, and I've got the ring finger on the D string, fret 7 for that chord. We'll go to a G chord played this way, and that's like an F form because we'll play our F2, but that's G, and we've got our finger on the B and high E at fret 3, a finger on the G string, fret 4, and on the D string, fret 5, strumming from the D string, and then our F, we move that down by 2 frets to fret 1 here, and that's our F. So we've got A minor, G, F, and we'll slide off the fretboard for E, like this. Just go straight down like that, and we've got an E chord, so F and then E. Now for our strumming, we're strumming down, up, down, 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 down, up, down. And that's our intro. Now once we start the lead, we'll do that once more. Now you notice we stopped on our F for that part. So it's da 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 da. Like that. Then we'll go to a C chord, G, C chord, E chord. So for that one, we went to our C and we did down, up, down, G, down, down, C, down, up, down. On the E, down, 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 down. So all downstrokes on the E. So here's that part again. Then we'll go back up to our A minor, C, G, C, and for that C it was down, up, down, up, down. Next we'll start into our bridge, and we'll start with our C chord. Down, up, down, up, down. A minor. Same strumming pattern. F, down, up, down. E, down, up, down. A minor. Then E. Then we'll go back into the main part of the song again. So that was. And then the song starts over. Now let's play through the entire thing. Now let me show you how I'm doing that little beatbox thing in the cover at the beginning of this tutorial. Something like this. Okay, so I'm doing what is called like a Beatles beat. So it's I'm complementing that with my left hand by slapping the fretboard like that. So I'm going and then at the end, so the fingers are doing that little roll thing like that. So it's, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I play the chords to Walk, Don't Run by the Ventures from 1960. Learn the lead parts by going to my Walk, Don't Run lead parts tutorial. Use the link in the description to get you there. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.